All right, so I'm putting a few accessories on the xpedition, and I just want to show you guys how easy some of these accessories are. So if you're going to a dealership and they've got $100 or $150 an hour labor fee, simple things like putting a set of mirrors on or some other things that I'm going to do are something you can do at home. And I just want to display that so you kind of know this up front. But as you can see here, I've already removed this panel. Now that may look like to some of you that was probably pretty technical, but it's probably one of the easiest mirror setup I've seen. I actually bought the Polaris ones, and here's what they look like. Say Polaris on them, and they're specifically made for this unit. I think these were $250, but I'm going to show you what I removed just so you can see. So this is what it normally looks like. Here's the panel on. This was so simple. So basically, you've got a push pin here that you pull the center out, and then you pull the little ring out after that. And then you've got a Torx bit inside here and inside here. You take those two loose, and then this panel here will pop off. And I'll show you what I used. So basically I used a set of pliers and this Torx head to go on there. And I'll tell you what it is just so you guys know what bit is in there. It's a T30 Torx bit. And basically you just fit it in there, unscrew the two tabs, and this panel will pop off. And then you're literally just going to put the other mirror panel back up there and put your mounts back into that. Super simple process, but I'll put this mirror on and let you guys see, so you can see one side with and one side without, and also show you the function of the Polaris mirrors. And then I've got another accessory we're going to put on. All right, so you can see here I've got this one on. I mean, that took a total of, you could literally put these on by yourself in a total of 10 minutes, maybe 8 if you had all the tools laying there. I mean, it's 2 screws, pop out, pop on. They look great on there, but super simple process, something anybody could do at home. I think that if you're capable of removing screws and a pop pin, the rest of it is just putting it up there and putting the pop pins and the screws back in place, and it'll save you a ton of money in the long run. There's a side without it. So it's basically one panel removed and put the other panel on. These, I'll show you the part number so you know what to order. Let's see. It's part number 2884491. Made in good old China, like everything else from Polaris, but here you go. Also, KEMIMOTO sent us this Ride Command Screen Protector that basically fits any of the Ride Command systems. And let's open it up and see what's in the box. So basically you've got the little cleaner and everything in here, along with probably a white pad, it looks like in the back, the black there. Let's set that up there. We'll clean it off in a second. And it looks like the screen protector itself. I'll put the link to this down in the bio. So if any of you guys are needing one to go on your screen, keep fingerprints off or anything like that, or just keeping it from getting scratched up, kind of like your phone screen. If you've got one of these on there and it happens to crack, you can just remove it and put a new one on. This is, here's the little part numbers on it. But like I said, I'll put a link down the bio. Says it's ultimate shock absorption, enhanced 9H hardness, scratch proof, precision dimensions, enhanced anti-piercing. I don't know that I'll need it as much in here as you would if you didn't have the cab, but it'll still be something for that peace of mind. So I'll put it on and show you guys. Go out to the sides, and then I'll rub around it to get it completely flush. There you go. You got screen protection on there. So if someone decides to hit it too hard or anything or throw something on it, won't bust your screen.